Hey y'all, hey, today it's about lunchtime. A little hungry, gonna make us something simple and another classic southern food. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make me up some bologna. I know you say, bologna, it's bologna. Well, anyhow, we're going to do something different that most people don't do, is we're going to fry us up a bologna sandwich. And if y'all ain't had fried bologna, yeah, you're in for a treat. So, and if you don't like bologna, you never had fried bologna, you ought to give it another try. Fry it up. And we'll put maybe some mustard on it, and some mayonnaise, and got tomato, lettuce if you want, cheese, if you like cheese on it. Classic bologna, fried bologna sandwich would be white bread, basically, maybe toasted, mayonnaise or mustard, and fried up in some grease, or you can fry it up without grease. I want to use bacon grease, so bacon grease is best. Or you can try some lard there. Good. You gotta use some fat. That's what makes it taste more better. Anyhow, I'm gonna get it all ready to go here and show you how we do that there. Alright? Hang in there. I got my skillet warming up here on a burner. And I got the skillet nice and warm. First thing I'm gonna do, put me a spoonful of this bacon grease right there. Put some bacon grease in there. Something like that. And get her worked in there. Work it around. Alright. What we got over here, I went to the deli and got some bologna. This is a little better than your national brand. And that's about what I sliced it, had them slice it up as. And that's thicker than your national brand. You can use this, Oscar Mayer national brand. It's about half as thick as that. But you want the thick anyhow. But if you go to the deli, you can get whatever their brand is and get them to cut it the way you like. This is Conn's. This is a regional brand. Put it in there on top of there. In there like that. 2 pieces. Fry it up like that. Right there in the bacon grease. There's a brand that we used to like down in southern Kentucky, Tennessee, called Lay meat. And they had a bologna. It was the best. It really was. If anybody ever heard of Lay bologna or Lay meat, go ahead and put in a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you liked it, or if they still make it. I'd like to know. We're going to fry it up for a couple minutes, rub it, get it good and brown. I'll bring it back here when it's cooked, browned up. Show you how we put it together. Alright? Been in there still a couple minutes. I ain't got it turned up real high or anything. See how it's bubbling up right there? What you want to do is cut a slit in it. Keep it bubbling up. See, like that? Like that there. There. Spin her around a little bit there. Get it covered real good. Let it go another minute. Yeah, see, it's getting there. Give it another minute. Let it brown up. Alright? Alright, it's been another minute there, see? Yeah, that's about what you want. Like that there. Yeah, there you go. That looks really good. That piece right there. That's what you want. Right there. See? And we'll go a few minutes on that side. There you go. That looks good like that, see? About 3 minutes each side. Looks good. That's what you want. You want to put some cheese on it? Put some cheese on it. Just throw your piece of cheese on it. Let it melt on it real quick. And then it's ready. So I'm making me some toast. The toast helps the bread hold up to the grease so you know it don't get all soggy. And then you put some lettuce on there. That'll help the grease from getting the bread all soggy too. So yeah, if you like lettuce, put lettuce on it. I like tomato, put tomato on it. I don't always put lettuce and tomato on mine. I just throw it on there with some mayonnaise and some mustard, and that's it. Alright? Alright. Put that over here. See what it looks like there on the side. That's what it's going to look like. There. That's plenty done. You don't even have to brown it quite like that, but it'll be good. Here you go. I got me some toast. Of course, I over toasted it a little bit. I'm going to put some mayonnaise on it. Alright, I got my mayonnaise on my bread. What I'm doing, I'm going to slice this all the way through. Make it easier to put on this bread. Bread ain't that big. So make it fit more better that way. Yeah, like that. There. Right there. Right there. There. Now that. Put some mustard on it. Just for a little flavor. That's all we need. There we go. That's plain and simple. But like I said, you put tomato on it. Put you some lettuce. Put you some lettuce on there. Well, DW just eating it this way. Look. Just like that. And there you go, like I said. Good old fried bologna sandwich. Oh man, you gotta try it. I'm serious. Regular bologna, not fried, nothing the same. Night and day different. Alright, y'all. Hey, I just had to go ahead and put the lettuce and tomato on it for you just to show you what it looks like there. Y'all might like it like that too. I really think it's good too, but I just eat it plain. I just get in a hurry. I don't need the lettuce and tomato, but it is good. Well, see, you make a mess when you put the tomato on it. Fly over the place. Look out. Look out, Lumber. Anyhow, this is DW's fried bologna sandwich. Yeah, it's a southern classic. You ought to give it a try if you don't care much for bologna at all and you never tried it fried. You owe it to yourself to try this out. I won't get on off here. So, it's good to see y'all again. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I appreciate all my subscribers, new and old subscribers out there. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and comment on the comment section what you think about fried bologna sandwiches. And tell me if you know about that lay meat bologna down in Tennessee. I think they still sell it at some of the like Food City stores or something. I'm not sure. I haven't found it yet. But anyhow, I'm going to get on off here, and I hope to see y'all soon. Stop back by and see me soon. I'll see y'all. Take care.